Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this video Friday night after the week closed today. And so let's get started. I just wanted to show the trades and the reason behind them and what is coming up next week. So let's get started here. This is the week started on the 6th, right? From 6 to 10. So on the 6th, I had a few trades, right? And the 7 was completely quiet, and then 8, a few trades, and then 9 was quiet, and then 10th, I had few trades. So let's see. A tough week, but yeah, it still came out good. So on the 6th, this is the pound CAD. First trade was pound CAD. Right there is the entry. And you can see all my trades showing on the left-hand side here, buy, sell, order, and the SL move to break even plus, right? And this is the setup, and the indicators for short is indicators all the way up, long for indicators will be all the way down, and there are a couple others conditions for short and long. So anyway, so pound CAD 20-minute, nice setup and trade, 110 pip. Here the second trade, pound Aussie on the 6th as well, sell order as I move to here, and this was an entry here, and usually I move my SL, and then if I had done that, probably my order would be kicked out here, and then I will make an entry here anyway. So I didn't move my SL, and then it came down, and then and then after that, this was a very nice entry as well anyway, and this was an entry, so all of that. So 160 pip from there to there. Remember, the based on when you see that all of these big trades I'm having is because of the daily range. The daily range. These pairs are posting daily range. Like for example, pound NZD. The daily that pair moves daily 286 pip. Today's daily range was that average 60-day range 286 pip. So it's a lot, right? So getting 150 200 pip trade is not a problem. These big movers, and then Euro Aussie again 150 pip, right? Aussie strength is the cause of it, and there was an entry here, and after that all the way down. Next is USD CAD. I will show you why, because the USD weakness I was expecting, and let me show you anyway. This one is because of, let me see if I can show you the USD chart. Okay, USD index chart, right? First, I made it on the 20th March. It is gonna, the wave 3 is probably gonna finish here, and then it's gonna go up for wave 4 up here, and then wave 5 comes down here. So this, look what happened to this one. It went up all the way there for wave 4, right? So, and then I said, okay, wave 4 is finished. Then we're gonna be coming down for wave 5, and this is where we end up as of Friday. For wave 5 is still going on, and may drop a little bit more or not, I don't know, but so far so good. So this drop here made the USD weaker, and then obviously USD CAD supposed to go down with that, right? So because USD is on the left hand side, so USD yen, USD CAD, and USD franc will go down, and Euro USD, pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD will go up. It's supposed to go up, right? So, and I have those trades I'm going to show it to you. And after that, you see this pound USD. This is an up. I just said because of the USD weakness, this went up, right? And not only that, but I also had that 40-minute chart showing, for example, let me show you. This was my chart that is going to go up there. Let me see if I have the chart before that. Okay, chart before that I made on the 20th March that pound USD is going to drop here, right? Because of this, right? This is what happened usually. Look what happened. Came exactly the same way, A, B, C, hitting that level, 21.94. So then I made this chart on the 6th that we're going to go up for wave 5. This is where I had that trade. Look, it went up there, right? Close to that wave 5 target. And then we close to that, right? So right there was my entry, and this is the one. Where it is, right there. Okay, this was, went up, gave me the entry, and then this was an entry. This was, all of these were entry, but this is the one I'm showing you right now here, and it is from here to here, 100 pip. It could have gone more. It went more, but I closed the trade, and then I did not take the next entry. But I'm okay. It's okay, right? So the next trade on the 8th you will see is pound CAD, big trade, right? 140, beautiful up move, and then this was an entry, this was an entry, this was an entry, and went up all the way on the 8th. And on the 8th again, Aussie USD, because of the Aussie strength, it went up, right? And because Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie went down because of the strength. Aussie is on the right hand side. Here Aussie is on the left hand side. USD weakness, and it goes up 90 pip. And also I had this here Aussie yen, because again Aussie strength, and it went up for 100 pip here on the 8th. Then I think on the 10th you see that Aussie strength is keep coming in. Aussie was getting strong. So here another one, the 90 pip Aussie, Euro Aussie, all the way to the down, and Pound Aussie again, same thing, same way, right? And that's 110 pip here. And then Euro USD, like I said, that Euro USD, because USD weakness, it's supposed to go up. And also I had made the chart, 40-minute chart, and which was like that, right? So this was the chart I made on the 5th April that we're gonna go up, right? So far it went up this much, and right there was my entry and the trade. See, it's long, right? For 80 pips. So it's gonna make down move a little bit, maybe here, make another long setup, and then go on. If I'm right, then we will go all the way up to the upside here. Maybe not. I don't know. When the market opens up, we will see. A lot can happen over the weekend, right? A lot is happening right now in the world, all over the world, and but I have a very strong feeling that this euro is gonna get strong. Why? Is because of I don't know if I have the chart here. No, I don't. Let me just quickly show you why I'm thinking like that. And my chart, I made this chart here. Look, this is what I said, that we're gonna drop here around 61%, right? And then we're gonna bounce from here. This is euro pound, right? The reason we're gonna bounce from here is because euro is gonna get strong or pound is gonna get weaker, or both, right? So where we are now at this chart is this, okay? You can see right now, I miss all those writing. I don't know what happened to that chart, but here you can see that same fib from here to here, and this is euro pound as well. And we are 61%, where I said before that this is where we're going to come, right? So we came already here and we hit twice 61% already and bouncing from it, right? So we hit this bounce, we came back again, hit this bounce, and we hit also this level 83, I mean 87, 23, right? If this level hold here, right, that means that euro is going to get strong or pound is going to get weaker or both. That's the possibility, and we can go straight up to this 23% line. Usually you bounce from 61%, you go back to 23% line, and for a girdle pattern, if we are going to make a girdle, then we will come back here to 78%. Or if we go straight to the upside, again continue, then maybe 1.618 and whatever. But first thing first, from 61%, if it holds, next is 23% line. From there, if we go up, fine. If it holds, then we go back to 78% line. That would be a girdle pattern. And then we go up again. That's the idea. Right? So this is the place. This is a very, very solid setup here, and it can give us a very, very nice set of trades next week. Okay, and that's why I think that euro is going to get strong, and we're going to have a lot of good trades with like euro Aussie and euro USD, euro yen, euro CAD, right? So many euro pairs. So be aware of that, and there are a lot more setup out there which I'm working on, and then I'm gonna make these charts and in like this one as well, right? I'm gonna make it, and the arrow and the numbers and this and that, blah blah blah, and then give it to my subscribers, and all the other charts over the weekend. Sunday I'm going to have a webinar and show the charts and prepare the subscribers to take the trades when they show up. The entries show up from the 20-minute chart. Okay, so this is it for now. all these trades, you can see how that happens. I think this is the last one, right? Yeah. So this is the last one here. Not too many trades, maybe 10, 11 trades, right? But some of the big one. And last week was much better. And I think the coming week is going to be much, much better than this week. So be ready. Euro strength, if I'm right, not necessarily. And so this is it for now. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, go on my website, myforestmagicweb.com. Here's the name of my website, and subscribe, and start trading the way we are trading here. Okay. I do have a Telegram channel as well, where I post setup and heads up all the time, time to time actually, for the subscribers, right? So that is also a big help. And I hold a webinar twice a week, Sunday and Wednesday, where we discuss all these setups and possibilities, and which pair is going to go where, and all of that. So this is how we do it. All right. So have a very, very wonderful weekend, and talk to you guys later. Plus, don't forget to wear mask and gloves. Be safe. And that is a big issue all over the world right now, right?